See that? What? I gotta take another shower? I don't know about another shower, but yeah, I guess I will. I'm gonna fix that pantry door again. Hang on, I gotta slap these socks around a little bit. What's an oldie that I haven't heard in a while? It's Weezer. Weezer. Hash pipe. I got my hash pipe. Alright, I guess I gotta unlock this because she's in the cellar. So I will. Don't look. Don't look. Look away. You didn't see none of this. It's better. Hang on. Where my glasses are. Dirty. Dusty. Can't see much. I'm home. Clock's still running. Got caught. So the clock got caught somewhere on this. One or two of these reels over here. I don't know if that's a good video, but there's a reel down here and there's a reel in the back. That reel in the back is the one that got caught. That's the pendulum. No, not the pendulum, the heavyweight. This is the lighter weight for the release into the heavy weight of the movement. In other words, it pulls the clock along. So, we screwed up the rope on that. I don't know if this would have anything to do with it. William Crawford, Oakham, Massachusetts. And oh, here's a little dinghy in here. Oh, I should say dinghy. Little ditty in here that my grandmother wrote. I can't read it. It just says William Crawford of Oakham, Massachusetts, the date he lived, and made many, many, many of these clocks and stuff. And it's not an original, the original case, but it's not an original works because the original works were wood. Everything else is metal, but the works are wood. Get that, Sharon. Sharon, it's right there. Got it? Got it. What's going on?
Yeah, hold on.
What? Hi. I didn't know who it was, but Mom was on the phone. Something about me ordering glasses, I heard.
Glasses.
Oh, I already got it. I ordered it about a month or so ago and did what I needed to, thank you. Yeah, this was $14, I think, but it gave me about 2 miles. Oh, okay, yes, I'm not interested in those. Mom doesn't want them. Thanks anyway, kiddo. Yeah, that's what we did. We bought that big black bag of black bird seed and one small bag of the little tiny songbird seed or whatever, and mixed it together. It's about 70 pounds. Yeah, okay. Gee, what do you talk to Mom about? You're always on the phone with her. You must talk about deals at Ocean State Job Lot. Oh, you called. I'm here. I just got in. Okay, thanks, kiddo. Bye bye.